And then I will show you how to operate this machine. Turn on the machine and the back. Okay, then switch this button. Use the key. Okay, this is for the OPT and RF handle. This is for the laser handle. We try one by one. First, click on Enter into the system OPT E-line. Here you can choose different functions. Here remove, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapy, vascular therapy, acne, and this is OPT SHR fast hair removal model. Okay, we try this one. Go. Here you don't need to adjust, only adjust the IPL power. Here we can start from 18 and RF we can start from 405. This is for the freezing, for the handle freezing. And before doing treatment, you need to put some gel on the treatment area. Ready. First, I will show you how to put this filter. It has a recommended filter. You will use 640. Okay, this one. And when put the filter, you need to check the area. Okay, need to put it tightly into the handle. Okay, ready. Before doing treatment, you need to try on floor first. Okay. Then use it on skin. Yes, this power is okay. Okay, this is how to use this filter. Skin rejuvenation. Skin rejuvenation, we can start from 15 and RF for 3 or 4 is okay. And this you need to use 530, so we can change it. Change another one. Okay, ready. Try on floor first. Okay, this is how to operate it. This is same pigmentation. Use 590. Here you can start from 15 to 50. RF we can start 405. They can ready, they can operate it. Vascular, you can use 592. Here is same, adjust the IPL and RF. Acne, use 530, adjust the IPL and RF. Click on ready, they can operate. Now fast hair remove, OPT SHR. Here you don't need to adjust, only adjust the energy. Click on ready. This is for fast hair remove. You need to change the filter. The filter needs to be 640. This one for hair removal. This is fast mode. Okay, this is how to operate this OPT handle. Our back RF. This is the RF handle. RF we have 3 different filters around the eye, face, body. Here you can choose treatment area, face and body. Face frequency 1, 2, 3. Energy maximum is 20. We can start from 3 or 4 or 5 is okay. Click on here is also the freezing. If you don't want to freezing, we can adjust it. Click on ready. Press this button to start. Put some gel on your skin first. You can operate like this or join circles. You can adjust the energy. Yes, it's a little warm now. Now change the tip. Loosen it. Then you can change it. Sorry. Okay, this is how to operate the RF handle. Okay, now we try the young laser handle. This handle we offer you 3 tips. 3 tips. Enter. Here you can choose the different functions: tattoo remove, eyebrow, pigmentation, blackdoll. This one we can use blackdoll. This is the blackdoll tip, so we can use this one. Energy we use the highest to do testing. 2000. Frequency you can adjust it from 1 to 10. We can start from 1. Okay. Okay, this young laser adjust energy frequency. Click on ready. Use the foot pedal to operate it. You can adjust the frequency. Now it's full. Okay. Now we change another tip. This is the blackdoll. We change 1064. This is the 1064. 1064 is for the black and brown tattoo remove. It's better to wear the glasses before doing the treatment. You can choose tattoo remove here. Tattoo remove. This one. We can adjust it from 1 first. Click on ready. Okay. You can also adjust the frequency. Okay. Now we change another one. 532 is for the color filter to remove red, green. We use this one. Ready. We short on the red color. Okay, you can see the red color already removed. Okay, this is how to operate this machine.